All right, let's talk about the upcoming Insta360 Luna, because this one is shaping up to be a serious shakeup in the pocket gimbal camera market. According to official confirmation from Insta360 CEO, Luna is real and scheduled to launch in the first half of 2026, with most leaks pointing toward a Q2 2026 window, somewhere between March and June. That timing alone is interesting because it positions Luna directly against the rumored DJI Pocket successor. Now, here's where things get exciting. Unlike traditional pocket gimbal cameras that stick to a single lens, leaks suggest Luna could feature a dual camera setup, essentially a two-eye design. One lens is expected to be a standard wide-angle, while the second could be a telephoto lens, around 70mm equivalent. And yes, this is where the big headline comes in. Up to 3 times true optical zoom, not a digital crop, real optical zoom. That would immediately separate it from most competitors in this category. On the video side, the rumored specs are ambitious. Multiple leak sources suggest Luna could support 8K video at 24 frames per second, along with 4K recording up to 120 FPS for slow motion. There's also talk of 10-bit color depth, which would be a huge win for creators who grade their footage professionally. If these numbers hold true, Luna wouldn't just compete, it could leapfrog many pocket cameras currently on the market. Stabilization, of course, is critical for any pocket gimbal. Luna is expected to feature a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, but paired with enhanced AI-driven stabilization algorithms. Insta360 is known for aggressive computational processing in its action cameras, so combining hardware stabilization with software intelligence could give Luna an edge in walking shots, motion tracking, and subject lock. Another rumor floating around is a modular design approach. While not confirmed, some leaks hint that Luna might support interchangeable components or expandable modules. That could mean lens attachments, upgraded audio modules, or accessory expansions. If true, that would make Luna far more versatile than traditional fixed-design pocket gimbals. Speaking of audio, while concrete specs haven't leaked yet, expectations are high. Competitors in this space typically include onboard stereo mics and wireless mic compatibility. Given Insta360's recent ecosystem improvements, Luna will almost certainly support external mic integration, possibly through USB-C or a proprietary wireless system. Battery details haven't been confirmed either, but considering 8K recording potential, we can expect a sizable battery upgrade compared to earlier compact cameras. Now let's talk pricing. Leaks currently suggest a projected range between $499 and $699. That would place Luna in the premium compact creator segment. At $499, it would be extremely aggressive given the rumored 8K and optical zoom features. At $699, it would position itself as a high-end content creation tool aimed at vloggers, travel creators, and hybrid shooters who want portability without sacrificing performance. And of course, we can't ignore the competition. Luna is clearly targeting DJI's Pocket lineup, particularly the upcoming successor to the Pocket series from DJI. Current expectations suggest DJI's next model may focus on higher resolution and improved sensor performance, but so far there's no strong indication of optical zoom on their side. If Luna truly delivers dual lenses and 3 times optical zoom, that could be a defining advantage. So, to summarize everything we know so far, Insta360 Luna is officially confirmed for H1 2026, likely Q2 launch. It may feature a dual camera system, 70mm equivalent telephoto, 3 times optical zoom, 8K at 24ps, 4K at 120ps for slow motion, 10-bit color, AI-enhanced 3-axis stabilization, potential modular expandability, and a projected $499 to $699 price tag. That's a bold combination of features for something designed to fit in your pocket.